Welcome to today's video. This tutorial shows realtors how to find a declaration of condominium, the legal document that outlines a condo's rules, rights, and responsibilities. To start, open your browser and go to Ahmanteri.com. Once there, look at the top navigation bar and click on condos. This will bring up several options, but the one we need is the Miami-Dade Condo WA database. Clicking this link will take you to a new page where you can access detailed records for condominium associations across the county. For this example, we'll use Caribbean Isles Villas. You can use the filters available on the page to narrow your search, making it easier to locate the exact property you're interested in. Once you apply the filters, you'll see a list of results. Click on the property name, and you'll be able to access all the relevant information, including property details, WA contact information, and other important records. This method is a reliable way for realtors to quickly gather accurate condo data, helping you stay informed and provide the best service to your clients. Remember, taking the time to familiarize yourself with these tools will save you hours of research in the long run. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate tips and resources.